Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate again and I'm back with another tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna guide you how you can simply install or download Picsart app on your mobile device. Here, I'm showing it on my Android device. You can also follow this be similar with an iPhone as well. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Picsart is a photo and video editor that allows you to create any type of video or photo with AI tools. So now in order to install Picsart app, first of all launch Google Play Store on your device and then in the search bar search for Picsart. Once you see that at the top of the screen, tap on that and then again in here tap on install and wait until the app get installed on your device. Once your app get installed, simply tap on open and the app will get opened. After that, if you don't have any Picsart account, simply tap on create an account and then go follow more for the sign up process, or else you can also continue with your Google or your Facebook account. But if you want to skip this process, right here at the top right corner of your screen you will see skip option. Tap on there and in here you will be able to edit your photos or videos. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you next time.